A lot of people kasi were saying na, hindi, mag-pandemic walang bibili ng bahay. Ano mangyayari? Baka hindi na magbayad, baka mawala pa yung kita namin sa Pag-ibig, baka hindi maganda yung kita. The numbers are saying na merong bumibili ng bahay at hindi lang yun eh. Given na naniniwala kayo that the worst is over already, then spending will get better again. At yung interesting doon, it's fourth year already, surpassing and going above the 30 billion mark. Something that will directly impact your income without removing taxes from it. 6% for something that's guaranteed. 6% for something na tax-free. 6% for something that's relatively stable and safe is okay in my opinion. Hi everyone! Sa video na to, gusto ko pag-usapan yung performance ng Pag-ibig for 2020 and then yung in-announce nila na dividends available to all of their members na nag-avail ng Pag-ibig MP2. Is it something that's good or bad? And ano dapat yung approach nyo kung nag-i-invest kayo sa Pag-ibig MP2? Over the past months, no, especially nung patapos na yung 2020, dami nagtatanong sa inyo, ano ba yung performance sa Pag-ibig? Ano yung magiging dividends? And mid last year, dami nagtatanong, natatakot na, ano mangyayari dahil nasa gitna tayo ng pandemic, nakakatakot ba mag-invest? Mid last year, naglabas ako ng video sharing yung income ng Pag-ibig at least for the first half of the year, which was interesting also kasi it wasn't as rosy as compared to yung iba nilang kinita sa ibang taon, pero it was very good kasi sa gitna ng pandemya, maganda pa rin yung kinita nila. Please remember, kahit anong investment, kailangan nyo pag-aralan, tsaka kailangan yung tignan kung pasok to para sa inyo, tsaka dapat alam nyo siya. Huwag lang kayo makikiuso kasi ang daming gumagawa. Ano ba paglalagay ako ng pera? Bitcoin ba? Stocks ba? Bonds ba? Premium bonds ba? Or itong Pag-ibig MP2? Kung hindi nyo siya naintindihan, please, kahit anong explain ko dito, huwag kayo mag-invest. Kung tingin nyo hindi siya para sa inyo, please, kahit anong convince ng kapitbahay nyo, wag nyo siya gawin. It's your money, it's your responsibility. Dapat, pasukin nyo lang yung mga investments na naiintindihan nyo. Madami akong videos about Pag-ibig MP2, lalabas siya dito, lalagay ko rin sa link below. Pero sa mga taong hindi alam kung anong Pag-ibig MP2, bale, binibigay mo yung pera mo sa Pag-ibig Fund, tapos yung perang binigay mo sa Pag-ibig Fund, majority of it, pinapautang nila sa mga tao na kailangan ng bahay, kailangan mag-utang, kailangan mag-loan para makabili sila ng sarili nilang bahay. So in essence, no, you're helping people get their houses. And of course, nagbabayad sila ng loan. Pagbayad nila ng loan sa Pag-ibig, naging income yun. At dahil nag-invest ka sa Pag-ibig MP2, you're part of that income as well. So unang-una, gusto ko pag-usapan yung savings record ng Pag-ibig, which hit 13.3 billion pesos, which is 11% up kumpara sa 2019, which is also good, no? Isipin nyo to, lumaki yung savings nila kahit madaming tao na tamaan ng pandemic. The fact na tumaas, this is a very good sign also sa mga tao na nagtatanong about ano yung mangyayari sa Pag-ibig MP2 in the midst of the pandemic. So that's our answer. Number one, money actually increased pa by 11% in the biggest pandemic that we've ever seen. Pag-ibig was able to release about 84.53 billion pesos worth of home loans. That was around 80,748 homes for 2020. A lot of people kasi were saying na, hindi, mag-pandemic walang bibili ng bahay. The numbers are saying na merong bumibili ng bahay at hindi lang yun eh. People have been taking out loans for it. So, number two, madami pa rin umutang at nag-loan para sa kanilang mga sariling bahay. And what's interesting about that is around December 2020, nag-release pa sila around 12.11 billion pesos na loans na naka-benefit ng mga 12,275 members sa Pag-ibig. So, sa latter part of the year, as nagbukas na naman yung economy, mas dumadami yung transactions, mas dumadami yung mga nangyayaring day-to-day movements also sa pagbili, sa pagbayad. And katulad nito, very consistent siya na mas madami nag-loan, mas madaming pinautang also at the latter part of 2020. Ngayon, ito yung inaabangan nyo lahat. Magkano yung kinita ng Pag-ibig ng 2020? The answer to that is, Pag-ibig earned 31.18 billion pesos for 2020. At yung interesting doon, it's fourth year already, surpassing and going above the 30 billion mark. Magkano ba yung bibigay nila na dividendo for MP2? So the answer to that is for 2020, their dividend rate, their yield is at 6.12%. So please do note na yung lamang ng 6.12% nito, this is tax-free. So kunyari kumita kayo ng 6+% sa bonds, less 20% yun. Kung kumita kayo sa dividends, less 10% na withholding taxes yun. So this 6.12% is something that will directly impact your income without removing taxes from it. Compare natin siya dun sa previous years and then let's analyze it further. So 2010, they gave 5.5%. 2011, they gave 4.63%. 2012, they gave 4.67%. 2013, they gave 4.59%. 2014, they gave 4.68%. 2015, they gave 5.33%. 2016, they gave 7.43%. 2017, they gave 8.11%. 2018, they gave 7.41%. 2019, they gave 7.23%, and 2020, 6.12%. This is the lowest dividend rate that Pag Ibig gave since 2016. So 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, they did not go lower than 7+%. They even reached a high of 8+% dun sa mga previous years. But please remember that wala na nakapredict na mangyayari yung pandemic na to. Pero in spite of that, this is my opinion, na yung 6.12%, natalo pa rin niya yung time deposits. Natalo pa rin niya yung ibang dividend-paying stocks sa stock market. Natalo pa rin niya ibang preferred shares sa stock market. Natalo niya majority of the bonds. Habang mababa yung interest rate, hindi na kayo makakakuha ng sobrang taas na bonds or at least rate of return from bonds sa mga bagong rini-release ng either corporations or even ng government. Pero in spite of that, yung 2020 is still also better than 2015, 2014, 2013, 2012, 2011 na dividends na binigay ng Pag Ibig MP2. So, para sa akin na, this dispels lahat ng fear ng mga tao na ano mangyayari, baka hindi na magbayad, baka mawala pa yung kita namin sa Pag Ibig, baka hindi maganda yung kita. Given na naniniwala kayo that the worst is over already, most likely over the next period of time as the economy gets better, then spending will get better again, lalakas ulit yung padala, then mas madami ulit tao kukuha ng mga panibagong bahay. So, you can expect the numbers to get better. So, 6% for something that's guaranteed, 6% for something na tax-free, 6% for something that's relatively stable and safe is okay in my opinion. Kung gusto nyo check yung lahat ng details sa Pag Ibig, you can check everything sa website nila. Pero what was interesting nung tinitignan ko yung mga loans na nakukuha ng Pag Ibig, kasi doon naman din talaga nanggagaling yung income nila. You will see, no, January, February, medyo malakas yung naglo-loan. Then nag-dip lang siya nung nagkaroon ng tighter lockdowns and fear sa coronavirus, March, April, May, June. Then July, August, September, October, November, December. Habang nabawasan yung uncertainty sa nangyayari sa pandemic na to, things started to also get better. What are your comments on this? And I want to know ano yung magiging battle plan ninyo knowing this data as well. So, if you are an investor na gusto nyo something na safe, gusto nyo something na guaranteed, gusto nyo something na predictable, gusto nyo something na tax-free. The past few days, sobrang exciting ng cryptocurrency space, sobrang exciting ng blockchain, sobrang exciting ng US markets, pero may volatility siya. Kung ayaw nyo ng ganun, kung hindi ka yung type ng tao na ganun, tapos gusto nyo magsimula kasi advantage ng Pag Ibig MP2, 500 pesos lang then maybe this is something that is for you. Pero yun ulit, pag-aralan nyo kung kaya yung mag-diversify even better. I think it will be a good balance, especially sa mga tao na medyo risk taker. Masyado na kayo madami tinitake na risk sa negosyo ninyo. Masyado na kayo madami tinitake na risk sa iba nyong investments. This could also be a good shift and a good alternative kung paano nyo ginagawa yung investments ninyo. I hope nakatulong. Let me know your feedback. Were you happy dun sa 6.12% na yield? Or were you expecting something more tapos hindi nyo siya nakuha? What's your thoughts on all of this? Mas maganda na linagay nyo yung pera nyo at in-invest kahit hindi masyado malaki yung kinita kesa sa ginastos nyo sa ibang bagay na hindi nyo kailangan. For those na pumasok at nag-invest, kung naglagay kayo ng 1 million, 6.12% is around 60,000+. My suggestion always is every time you start earning, ibalik nyo lang, i-invest nyo. Hindi lang to channel na get rich quick, pero hindi rin to channel na pag kumita kayo ng pera, enjoyin nyo, waldasin nyo. This channel will tell you na pag kumita kayo ng pera, ibalik nyo, ipasok nyo. Gamitin nyo yung prime years ng buhay nyo to build asset classes, to work hard for you. Kasi yun naman yung pinaka-importante. Yun yung pinaka-importante, that habang may kakayahan kayo para kumita, habang may kakayahan kayo para mag-invest, na hindi nyo na magagawa pag 60, 70, 80 years old kayo, mas mahirap na magtrabaho para maghanap ng pag-invest pag medyo matanda na kayo. So gamitin nyo yung oras na to para makapag-invest kayo ng tama, para mapalaki yung pera nyo, para you see your money work hard for you. At hindi ako magsasawa sabihin to, that yung pinakamalaking pagkakamali, yung pinakamalaking regret ng mga tao na sinasabi nila sa akin is, lagi nilang sinasabi, sana nagsimula ako ng mas maaga, sana ginawa ko to nung mas bata pa ako. At yun yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, kung nasan man kayo ngayon, huwag nyo na sayangin yung opportunity ngayong 2021. Magtabi ng pera, mag-invest, tas kalimutan nyo lang. Pero please remember, pag-aralan nyo na mabuti yun. Hindi lang dahil sinabi ko dito gagawin nyo, pero tignan nyo kung para sa inyo siya o hindi as an investment. And then start deploying capital on it. So yun lang, ako si Marvin Germo, entrepreneur tsaka stock investor / stock trader na ngayon nag-cryptos na rin. But kung gusto nyo pa ng madaming videos na ganito na educational, informative, gives you data, uplifting, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing. And if you think this video is something na nakatulong sa inyo, kung pinapanood nyo to sa YouTube, appreciate it if you can press the like button kasi malaking tulong siya to create awareness about financial independence, financial freedom to every Filipino. I really believe that messages like this, things na nakakatulong to help people grow in the knowledge of investing should be shared, and it should be something that more and more people should talk about as well. The social media is so toxic. It's time that we have something that's informative. It's time that we have something that will help people get out of the rat race. So yun lang. If this is something that benefited you, like, share, subscribe, and share it to people as much as possible. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.